this is lesson number 6 on UCTV, and it's a simple skiffle. We're going to use a C chord, an F chord, the C chord again, a G chord, and that's basically what we're going to play. So the C chord, we'll not play the 6th note, 6th string, sorry. We'll just play the top 5 strings. So on the 5th string, we're going to play the 3rd fret. 4th string, we're going to play the 2nd fret. Open 3rd string. 1st fret on the 2nd string. And then open 1st string. Then we're going to put it up 1 string, so we're going to play the top 4 strings only. On the 4th string, we're going to play the 3rd fret. 3rd string, we're going to play the 2nd fret. The 2nd and the 1st string, we're going to play the 1st fret using our 1st finger. Again, aim for a clean sound, as clean a sound as possible. And that's the F chord. Then we're going to go to a G chord. Now you want to go down to the 6th string again. This time we're going right back. So this will be able to use all the strings. So this is the 3rd fret on the 6th fret. And we're going to use our 2nd finger. Our 1st finger is going to be the 2nd fret on our 5th string. And our 3rd finger, our 3rd finger will be the 3rd fret on our 1st string. Now that looks quite awkward at first. But once you get that one, it's a very, very useful chord as a G. So you want to change from the C, F, G, back to F, and it's all about the rhythm. So it's all about that's the basis of a lot of folky type songs, and you're probably actually a lot of versions, basis of a lot of pop songs. So that's quite a useful chord change. As you say, you've got the D you learnt in the previous lesson to add to that, and the E. You've got quite a basis for learning a few songs now.